Hello dear students, in today's session I am going to explain how to write a notice and an email according to format number 1 provided by the council. This is Icse notice and email writing. In our previous videos, we had discussed how to write notices and emails according to format number 2. This video is in accordance with format number 1, and if you are following format number 1, you may watch the video. Also check the comment section for the playlist. Let's begin today's discussion. The question: your school is hosting an inter-school quiz competition. Write out a notice to be displayed in your school. And how will you start writing a notice? Immediately take out your pencil and ruler and draw a box. Don't do it free-handed. Draw a box neatly. After that, write an interesting and catchy title related to the topic. Since this is an inter-school quiz competition, my title is Press the Buzzer. P is capital and B is capital. This is the title, Press the Buzzer. A short, crisp, catchy title. Leave one line and then write down the heading. And how will you write down the heading? It is pretty simple. Take a hint from the question itself. An inter-school quiz competition. Copy that. Write that in your heading section. Inter-school quiz competition. Leave one line and write the date properly. In this case, I have just mentioned a random date. Since this is 2022, write 2022. From 9 a.m. to 12 noon, write the date and then leave one line and write the time. From 9 a.m. punctuate properly to 12 noon. Again, leave another line and write down the venue. How will you write the venue? The smaller place has to be mentioned in the beginning, and then the higher place, that is the name of the school, has to be mentioned. At school auditorium, the smaller venue, and where is it located? The larger venue, MB High School, name of your school. Again, leave one line and then write the body of the notice. Mention the target students here. All pupils from classes 8 to 10 who wish to participate are to give their names to Miss Kapoor on or before 3rd March, again 2022. The quiz competition will take place on 10th March and you will have to submit your names on or before 3rd March. Calculate the dates accordingly and write that down properly. This is the notice according to format number 1. Now let's come to the email writing question. Write an email to the principal of a neighboring school requesting him or her to send a team of members to participate in the quiz competition. Now let us see how to write an email. Write down the email address of the principal. Write a plausible email address. principalbluegardens@gmail.com. Don't write anything. A plausible email ID. Leave one line and write down inter-school quiz competition. What is the subject? Inter-school quiz competition. Again, leave another line and write down dear madam or dear sir. Do not write dear madam / sir. No. Either dear madam or dear sir. Give a comma. Leave one line, come to the next line and start writing your email. Our school is hosting its annual talent search competition marathon and we are beginning with Press the Buzzer, an inter-school quiz competition. This is the introduction. Write down the name of the competition as written in the notice. Press the buzzer and what is it? An inter-school quiz competition. Leave one line and in the next paragraph, the date, time and venue must be stated clearly. It will be held on 10th March 2022 from 9 a.m. till 12 noon in the school auditorium of MB High School. And this information must tally with the information that you provided in the notice. You must not change that. Next, please do send your senior quiz team from classes 8 to 10 to participate in the event. This is the invitation. Again, leave another line. The participants will be given certificates of participation and there are attractive prizes for the winners. They may bring their laptops for use during the preparation time. This sentence is absolutely optional. You may write this or you may leave this. Next, the conclusion now. Leave another line and write down, we look forward to your school's participation in the competition. So you are hopeful that the principal of Blue Gardens will accept the invitation and will send students to participate in the competition. Leave one line, write down thanking you. Give a comma. Leave another line. Write down yours faithfully. Again, put proper punctuation mark. Then leave one line, write your name and your designation. In this case, I have written Mohan Biswas, Academic and Cultural Secretary. This is how you write your email according to format number 1. Just have a look. This is the official verified Icse email and notice writing format. Specimens for email and notice writing are given in format 1 and format 2. Any one format may be followed. Both are acceptable. So in today's video, I have discussed format number 1. Let us now just go through the marking scheme. Your school is hosting an inter-school debate competition. Write a notice for your school informing them of the event. The title carries 1 mark. Inter-school debate competition. The heading, again, 1 mark. Date, time, venue, half. Date and time, half and half, that is 1 mark. And the venue carries 1 mark. The smaller venue, half. And the larger venue, half. So total 1 mark. All pupils from 10 and 9 who wish to participate are to give their names to Mrs. T. Baker on or before 1st December 2017. Another 1 mark, so total 5 marks. This is how you will be scored, and it's time for me to just show you the marking scheme of the email writing. The email address, half. Inter-school debate competition, the subject, again half. Salutation, dear madam, half. Opening sentence will carry half marks. After that, the body, 2 marks. And the conclusion, half. And the leave taking, half. Again, a total of 5 marks. This is how you will be scored.